AI video just took another huge leap forward. And this time, it's coming straight out of China. Kling AI just dropped Phase 2.0, and the upgrades are massive. We're talking about full cinematic video generation with sequential actions, rich emotion, fluid motion, and real video editing tools, all powered by prompts. And it's not just video. They've launched KOLORS 2.0 for image generation too. Let's break it all down. Kling AI, a fast-growing Chinese AI startup, just introduced to new powerhouse models. Kling 2.0 Master for video generation and KOLORS 2.0 for images. The goal? Bring your prompts to life with film-like precision and creative flexibility. And judging by what we've seen, they're getting close. Let's start with Kling 2.0 Master. This new model delivers prompt accuracy like never before. Complex sequences, emotions, and transitions are handled gracefully. Natural speed and motion. You get camera shakes, subject tracking, and fluid animation. Cinematic storytelling, from quiet drama to action-packed motion shots. This model nails it. All of this can be done in 1 to 5 second clips, making it ideal for shorts, transitions, and even ad spots. Not just videos. Kling also released KOLORS 2.0 for image generation. This model offers 60+ artistic styles, detailed control over elements, colors, and subject positions. In painting to add edit-delete parts of an image. A restyle tool to give your content a new artistic vibe instantly. Whether you're generating concept art or editing a product shot, KOLORS 2.0 gives you Photoshop-like powers with a single prompt. With ByteDance Seaweed, Kling 2.0, and Alibaba's Van, Chinese startups are racing to lead the next generation of AI video. And honestly, they're catching up fast. Kling 2.0 now challenges Google Veo and OpenAI's Sora, and it does so with far less computational resources. So what does this mean for creators? Whether you're building ads, short films, prototypes, or social content, you now have cinematic-grade tools in your browser. Kling 2.0 Master and KOLORS 2.0 are pushing boundaries that only 6 months ago felt impossible. Want more deep dives like this? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell to stay updated on the wildest things happening in AI.